Here is an introduction to our advanced ETFE urban greenhouses. Welcome. It is well known that plants thrives better and has greater yields when growing in the natural sunlight. But how can we have a greenhouse with the ideal light spectrum?
In the past, greenhouses has been covered with either glass, polyethylene, or very seldom polycarbonate. These materials have limited transparencies to the sun's whole light spectrum, which brought top botanists to investigate further, for a better transparent covering material.
Now, after several years of using the highly transparent ETFE, they found it to be the ideal material and came to the conclusion that with its awesome properties, it is simply the best transparent material there is on the market. As you can see, ETFE is uniquely transparent to most of the sun's spectrum, including the ultraviolets, and is durable, with a life expectancy of more than 30 years.
The ETFE is strong while being 95% lighter than glass, as well as being safe, because it meets and exceeds the UL 94 fire rating. ETFE easily performs in temperatures from minus to plus 50 centigrade, and it is so slippery that it is self-cleaning in rain, while any snow accumulation is negligible.
All of these extraordinary performances are possible because ETFE is mineral-based, transformed through an eco-friendly process from fluorite. At the end of its useful life it can be recycled. An ETFE pillow is 30% more energy efficient than a comparable sized double-glazed window. The ETFE covering remains cool in the sunlight and will not overheat the greenhouse, since it is so transparent, unlike a glass-covered greenhouse, where the accumulated heat becomes unbearable.
We have been pioneering the occurrence of the ETFE urban greenhouse and have developed a unique modular system, which enables a great variety of greenhouse shapes and sizes, meeting the needs of a broader demand. Our concept is based on individual framed pillows, instead of having a single very large sheeting covering the whole greenhouse. The standard size of this framed pillow is almost 1.5 meters by 1.5 meters. This way, if the membrane becomes accidentally punctured in one area of the greenhouse, only a single pillow needs and can easily be replaced.
Upon installation, the pillows are seated on a structure made out of stiff and sturdy aluminum extrusions, which in turn are held in place by a strong stainless steel fixing system. The whole structure is solidly bolted together, which makes it also dismountable for relocation. After the installation of the ETFE framed pillows, the structure is then covered by treated aluminum caps, creating insulation and a shield from the outside environment for decades.
In our design, we paid special attention in minimizing any occurrences of thermal bridges through the aluminum structure, so that the greenhouse may remain operational during winter. Our ETFE urban greenhouses are so light, that they can be installed on a flat roof, or directly on the ground.
Our unique greenhouses have been approved and recommended to be used especially in cities and other urban areas, for university research, as well as in commercial and domestic applications. Whatever you want to grow, with high yield and high quality, we invite you to consider our advanced ETFE urban greenhouses. Contact us and it will be a pleasure to review your product. There are many options and solutions available, as well as possibly financing.
Long-lasting, dependable and performing greenhouses, that's what we do best.